How long does it take to sort a list?
Well, there are many answers depending on what you mean by the question.
Say you're only allowed to swap two adjacent numbers.
Okay, then what you're asking about is called the inversion number of your list. One thing that's cool about it is that, as long as you don't foolishly swap two things that are already in order, it doesn't matter what swap order you use.
What do you mean by it doesn't matter?
Sorry, I mean different ways of sorting will take the same number of steps.
That suggests you should be able to count that number before you actually sort.
Here's one way. Count all pairs of numbers that are out of order even if they're not adjacent.
What's another way?
This next one works only if your values are all the numbers from 1 up to n with no repeats.
So a permutation?
That's right. Make a square grid of size n where row I has a dot in column j if, in your list, position I has value j. Now draw death rays east and south of each of the dots. The squares left over are called the Rothe diagram of the permutation. In the area of the Rothe diagram is the inversion number of the permutation.
What permutation takes the longest to sort?
How about you figure out which permutation is the most inverted? Quick, the video is about to restart.